dog show.
Mom, whose dogs are they?
There.
Those people over there. One of the dogs I found my hand. And now I'm so excited. Someone at the dog will go to win challenge. I'm so excited.
Thank you so much for joining us today at the CD, and welcome to the Super Dogs Barcade. These are just a few of the gamers that you'll be seeing in our shows today. Our show Barcade pays tribute to video and arcade games, old and new alike. We're going to start with a classic racing game. It is called The Need for Speed. Now, this is a multiplayer game. I will be player 1, and we have pre-selected someone from the audience to act as player 2. Madison, can you join me on the floor, please? And can I ask you to give Madison a round of applause? Hi, Madison. Thank you so much for coming. Come down here with me. I am going to explain how this game will work. I have a controller here. This controller, a video controller, is attached to the SuperDog avatars. So as the dogs come out and they race the course, you and I will be using these controllers to control the dogs just like a video game. Our game will start on our podium here. The dogs will race down through the tunnels back. There's a maze of tunnels in the middle. Frogger is a beautiful golden rich horse dog as player 1. You can see how it's done, and then I'll hand the controllers off to you. We do have a timer over here who will be timing each course. I will refer back to you after every run.
I'm scared.
Frogger, are you ready?
It's okay.
Speed and accuracy is what's going to win the game today. Frogger, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet our second avatar. Please welcome to the stage, this is Pac-Man. The time for Pac-Man to beat is 20 seconds. That's a pretty good time. Let's meet Pac-Man. Madison, are you ready with your controller? Audience, are you ready? I'm going to get you to help me in this countdown, please. 3, 2, 1. You're ready, Laura Croft. I'm going to have you say the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, so close. 19 seconds for Laura Croft. A beautiful run. Unfortunately, not quick enough. Donkey Kong, the time to beat is 18 seconds. I result of the audience that might help Donkey Kong, which is the louder you cheer, the faster Donkey Kong is going to run. 18 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There we have it. Let me check. It might be close. Not even a little. 4 days. 4 days was the time it took for Donkey Kong to complete that course. Sonic is a beautiful red and white border collie. Border collies are not pretty fast, but will our beautiful hold out for our final race. Audience, I'm going to ask you to join me for our final countdown. Everyone together, please. 3, 2, 1. Loved and cherished just like your pets at home. Something that we're very proud of is our partnership with Global Pet Foods. If you're not familiar with Global Pet Foods, it is a wonderful Canadian-owned company. It is locally run by people in your neighbors and your community. And
Is this the end?
No, it's not. Do you see that? Do you see that? Some of them go really fast. See?
let's build that up one more time. This is a game that you work with a partner as opposed to working against with somebody. You're working together towards a common goal. Please welcome to the stage Ella and Atari. Do you want to see the Super Dogs go higher? I thought you might. In order for that to happen, you need to level up. I need to hear you count down from 3. Let's try it together. 3, 2, 1, higher! Here comes